Hey guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back. Big thumbs up to all of you. Thanks heaps for tuning in. I'm out on the Street Fighter today, so enough chit chat. I'll chat through the video and let's get stuck into it.
Pretty full on at the moment. Nothing else in the trees, but it's definitely blowing. That's why there's leaves all over this road. Probably a lot of wind noise as well. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying a new mic.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I love riding this section of road. You've got the mountains out to the right, the view you can see there. Yeah, it's just really nice little sweeping twists in between the trees. But just give you a heads up, what you can see on the front of the bike is a phone mount. It's a V4evo. But pay attention to the way that locking nut is, guys. It's on the top. Make sure you keep it on the top. Put it on the side or at the bottom, it'll undo with vibrations and you'll lose your phone. Trust me, it's happened to me. Also the CNC racing reservoirs, carbon, I love them. I'll put links to all this down the bottom too, guys. And the mirrors that I've got on the side, the bar ends, they're Motogadget M-View pace mirrors. It's not glass, it's aluminium. Mate, I don't know how they do it, but absolutely awesome. Righto guys, I'll chat soon. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks heaps for tuning in again. I thought I'd just do a short one of one of the roads that I ride on. It's an awesome road. Righto guys, make sure you ride safe, stay safe, and thanks heaps for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that and giving the video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.